What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Owen, and in this video I'm going to show you guys my latest 6-head wide mock, which is this GMC Syclone. So yeah, let's get started. As I said, this is based off of a GMC Syclone. Of course, spelled with an S because, I don't know, it like sounds cool, I guess. No, never mind, it literally sounds the exact same. But yeah, I guess maybe because it like looks cooler, I have no clue. But yeah, anyways, the Syclone with an S. This one's basically based off a 1991. Not exactly sure when they started making them, but I know that they definitely were making them in 1991. Of course, in the iconic black that I think like all of them were in. There were a few special editions, but yeah, a lot of them were in black. It's quite a sinister looking model actually in this color. Yeah, it looks pretty intimidating, as it probably was in 1991, as it's actually faster than like a lot of supercars. I think it beat like several Ferraris of the time, which is actually pretty impressive. And yeah, a lot of that was thanks to, I guess, its like lightweight design. Of course, it's a single cab short bed, which is actually probably one of my favorite configurations of trucks, as actually not that many manufacturers make like single cabs nowadays anymore. But yeah, back then single cabs were definitely more popular. Yeah, I guess I'm kind of getting a bit off topic now. But yeah, of course, it's thanks to its light design, and also it had all-wheel drive and a turbocharged V6. I guess all that combined made it, I guess, like a supercar killer, or I guess like a sleeper of the time. And yeah, even today, it's actually pretty fast. I think it went 0 to 16 like 4 point something seconds. When compared to like today's technology, it's actually like pretty good. I guess for features, it doesn't have that many. It doesn't have an opening hood, unfortunately. Yeah, this grille design sort of like didn't really allow me to make an opening hood, but yeah, speaking of the grille, I do think it came out looking pretty good. I used one of these like 1x1 like clip pieces for the grille, and it's sort of just stuck into this like bracket piece right here. I think that came out looking pretty good. I didn't want to use one of those like 1x2 ones because I think it would have been too wide. I think the width of this like GMC emblem looks pretty good. It's also got these little indicators in the headlights, which definitely adds some nice detail, as the real ones had these like little orange indicators, as well as the bumper, which is actually pretty unique, as most of my other trucks use like my standard bumper design. This one, of course, has like sort of a unique bumper, so I recreated that, I think, pretty accurately. Moving on to the rear, we also have this tonneau cover right here, which is found on the real truck. I think it's probably for like aerodynamics or something like that. And yeah, I think that's definitely a nice touch for this truck. I guess also on these wheels, you might notice that it's, I guess, my first truck actually to use these like smaller Lego City style wheels, as I usually use the like wheels that are one step above, like these Speed Champions kind of wheels. Yeah, it definitely gives this truck more of like a lowered look, and it looks more like a race truck, but honestly that's basically exactly what it is. So yeah, I think that actually looks pretty good. Yeah, with all that being said, I guess let's move on to the tutorial.